All right, Rob Frazier here. This video, the 5 M's of affiliate marketing success for 2021. 5 M's, as in the letter M, for affiliate marketing success in 2021. So, Rob Frazier here. This is exactly what I am doing in affiliate marketing for 2021. So, the 5 M's. What's the first M? My Capture Page. My Capture Page allows you to build an email list. The bigger your email list is, the more money you make in affiliate marketing. It's really just that simple. You can chunk it down. I don't care who you are or what strategy or whatever it is you're doing, what you're selling, whatever it is. It's always a numbers game. So first piece that allows me to do that, My Capture Page. It's a very simple autoresponder and capture page system, ready, set to go. There's no setup, there's no anything. All you do is you take the links of whatever it is you want to promote and put it there in the back office, and then you have this ready-made page ready to go. So all you have to do is get people to see this page. That's the first M, My Capture Page. The second M for affiliate marketing success in 2021, multiple income funnel. This is the high-ticket affiliate marketing system that I promote. I connect this system with My Capture Page, and I promote My Capture Page. Okay, in this video specifically, I'm covering my paid traffic strategy. The second piece, multiple income funnel. Very simple. People come here, they opt in, they get redirected to my multiple income funnel sales links. I'm just clicking right here in the back office just so you can see a quick example of what they are, and I send people to these VSLs. VSL here, and this video down here. That's the second M. The third M, MLM leads. Very simple. I always tell people, look, if I was working a job, if I was flipping burgers, if for some reason I stopped making money in affiliate marketing, I would go get a job flipping burgers, working at Home Depot, something, and I would take 25 to 50% of every single paycheck and buy traffic from MLM leads. Very simple. I come down here, I buy a traffic package, and this link right here, my Capture Page link, I put right here in this spot right there. That's something I had previously pasted. Take this, that's the link that I promote right there. And whatever traffic package I could afford. It depends on my paycheck that week. It depends on how much earnings that I've made in affiliate marketing that week. And that's what I do. And I followed that when I first started making money back in 2015, and I still do it today on a weekly basis. 25 to 50% of all income that comes in immediately goes back out into paid traffic. And this traffic goes right to my Capture Page. When people opt in, they'll get my multiple income funnel links. That's the third M, MLM leads. The fourth M, your mindset. It takes a little bit to shift from being an employee and working for time, and then to change that to having your money work for you. It takes a little bit of a shift. And a lot of people, especially when it comes to marketing, it's hard for them to make that shift. So mindset, that's that fourth M. Mindset. Where do you get that mindset training from? I get it from my multiple income funnel, my system that I am promoting. Back here in resources, that bird is making me crazy. Back here in, my business, where is it? See, I forgot it. The bird is always chapping, and it makes me lose my train of thought. But it's back here under resources. I didn't see it. On the training tab, 7 steps to success, marketing system training, and weekly training calls. That helps with the mindset. Mindset training is absolutely critical if you want to make money online. I've gone from 6 figures of debt to paying it off, earning 6 figures a year, back in 5 figures of debt, paying it off, and it was mindset. Mindset's the only thing that really helped me get through. Lastly, the last M, the 5th M, is mentoring. If you don't have a mentor, somebody who you can actively reach out to and say, hey, I'm having a problem here. What am I doing wrong? Hey, can you help me do this? Hey, can you help me do that? Whatever. Having a mentor to help you through this process is absolutely critical. And for folks who join me, you get my mentoring when you join me in my system in the form of my Facebook group here. My Facebook group here is where I provide in-depth training. I go live, I answer your questions. Anytime you have an issue, you need some support, you need a kick in the pants, you need someone to just pat you on the back, whatever the case may be, you'll find it in my Facebook mentoring group. So that being said, wrapping this video up, the 5 M's. My capture page, multiple income funnel, MLM leads, mindset training under the resources tab where it says training, and having a mentor. So that being said, if you want to work with me, you want all those pieces, the link is in the description of this video. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next.